What if we told you that one of the most iconic sports cars of the 90s is making a comeback? Enter the 2025 Mazda RX-7, a car that's not just a revival, but an evolution of the legendary RX series. From its stunning design to the roar of its engine, the RX-7 has been redefined for the modern age. Let's dive into everything this beauty has to offer. First impressions? The 2025 RX-7 looks every bit the part of a modern-day masterpiece. The RX-7's wide stance, sharp angles, and sculpted body lines give it an aggressive yet refined look. From the striking LED headlights to the sloping roofline and bold rear spoiler, this car commands attention. And those side intakes, they aren't just for show, they enhance the car's aerodynamic performance. The rear end features those signature round taillights, but with a modern twist. The RX-7 looks fast, even when it's standing still. Inside, Mazda has blended luxury with sportiness. The cockpit-style design surrounds you with high-quality materials and cutting-edge technology. The low-slung bucket seats hug you like they're designed for one thing: performance. And don't even get me started on that digital display. The futuristic gauge cluster and infotainment screen seamlessly integrate, making sure you're connected at all times. It's clear this is a driver's car. Now let's talk power. You can't talk about the RX-7 without mentioning the heart of the beast, the rotary engine. For 2025, Mazda has refined its famous Wankel rotary engine, delivering a smoother, more efficient ride while retaining that unique sound we all love. Under the hood, you've got a turbocharged 1.6-liter rotary engine that produces 350 horsepower. Combine that with a lightweight chassis, and you've got a car that's nimble, responsive, and ready to tackle any corner. So, there you have it, the 2025 Mazda RX-7. A car that pays homage to its legendary predecessor while boldly stepping into the future. From the way it looks to the way it drives, it's clear that Mazda has created something truly special. Is it the sports car you've been waiting for? Let us know in the comments below. If you like this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for more updates on the cars you love. Until next time, drive safely and keep the revs high.